Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here just to show you some products that I picked up from Ipsy recently. At the beginning of the month, or closer to the beginning of the month, they have what's called Ipsy flash sales, where you can pick up some really great products at discounted prices. So I did that earlier last month? This month? I don't know. I can't keep track of time anymore because I feel like all the days are just blending together. But I picked up some items and I want to go ahead and share them with you. So the first thing that I picked up is this brush from F.A.R.A.H. It's the F.A.R.A.H 160F face brush. It's a kabuki brush, but it's angled. It's really soft. It has this really pretty like marble handle and this rose gold, and it's just really nice. I do have one of these, or one similar to this, that I got in an Ipsy bag, but I love brushes and I love this style of brush, especially for applying like bronzer, contour, and blush. So I wanted to pick up another one. So I'm really happy with this. I believe this was about $3. I also have from PURLISSE, this was another $3 item. It is the Prevent Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Eye Adore Serum, which hydrates intensively, firms and brightens, and decreases puffiness. And it's for all skin types, including sensitive. So I love eye creams, eye serums, and I really thought that this sounded really cool, so I wanted to try it out. I like that it is hydrating, it firms and brightens. I don't deal with a lot of puffiness per se, but I do want that hydration under my eyes because the skin under your eyes and on your eyelids is very what's the word I'm looking for? It's very thin, and so you really need to protect it by using an eye serum, and I'm really excited to try this one. I also have from OFRA, it's the collaboration with Madison Miller, and it is a blush in Sweet Stuff. I do already have this one, but it completely shattered and I lost like half the pan. It just fell on the floor and just shattered everywhere. But it's just a beautiful pink natural looking blush, and I love how this performs. I think it blends out really well. It has really nice pigmentation, but it's not overbearing or over the top, and I just love blushes like this. I also have some face masks. I had a pack of 4. I had 2 of these and 2 of these, but I've used up 1 of each already. I really like this one. It was from Playlist, and it's the moisturizing and brightening sheet mask with tiger grass and snow mushroom. This one felt really nice. This one was a rose blossom mask from JAYJUN cosmetic. It's skin softening, but the rose scent is so incredibly overpowering. I used it last night and it is so strong, and I'm not one for floral scents, so this was not my favorite. It did of course feel nice because it's a sheet mask, and I felt like it really contoured to the face, to the face. It really like contoured around my face shape. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but like, you know how sometimes when you use a face mask and it just kind of bunches up weird because it's not cut for your personal face shape? This one had the little notches cut out, so it was able to like contour itself around my face shape, if that makes any sense whatsoever. And then the last thing I have was a $12 purchase, and it's from Grace and Stella, and I've been wanting one of these for a while, and I decided to just go ahead and pick this up. It's got a really nice box. It is a rose roller, rose quartz facial massager, and this is what it looks like. I have not used it yet on my face. I just kind of went like this on my hand, and it felt really nice, and I think I'm gonna put it in the fridge because I think that that would feel amazing when it gets cold, and probably use it tonight. But it's super pretty. I've been wanting one for a while, and I'm excited to try it out. Let me know down below if you have a facial roller, what you think of it. Do you notice any difference in your skin? Do you use it with your skincare? How do you use it? Let me know because I'm interested. So thank you guys so much for watching this quick little video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any ideas for videos that you would like to see from me, please let me know, because I want to film. I just feel like I'm in kind of like a creative rut right now, and I can't figure out what to film, if that makes any sense. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for taking the time to watch it. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and make sure that you leave a comment down below telling me something that you have your eye on. Skincare, hair care, makeup, whatever. Something that you have your eye on, that you're looking into purchasing but you haven't purchased yet. And include your Instagram handle, because you'll be entered into my giveaway that I'm doing for the month of May. I am giving away either a Sephora or Ulta gift card, your choice if you're the winner. You have to be subscribed to me, be following me on Instagram at greeneyedbeauty90, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below telling me something that you have your eye on that you're interested in purchasing, and I will enter you in. And thank you guys once again. Good luck.
Words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.